Okay, so UAC is user access control. It's not new, okay? Of course, UAC is something that you know because it's provide a way for user to elevate their status from a standard user account to the admin, and without having to sign out or switch user profile. So UAC is a collection of features rather than just a prompt. Okay, so for example, when you want to install something, you can say the level, okay, of your cursor. Is it always notified or never notified? So for example, of course, for a standard user to perform the following task without receiving UAC. So for example, install update, view Windows setting. But if you want to change Windows setting, you will be elevated. Pair Bluetooth devices, reset the network adapter. This is something you can do without having to prompt the UAC prompt, okay, here. So UAC is a way that when you try to change your setting, the system will ask you another account we have privilege like an admin account. So you see it here. So if I'm connected actually on my workstation, if I change my user and I'm gonna change and switch to a normal user. So if I go here and I type Bill, so Bill is a normal user. He doesn't have any admin privilege. Each time I want to change something on the computer, the USC by default will prompt me and will ask me to add admin account so that I can, change my system setting here. So for example, here, if I go on my network and I want to change something on my internet here. So if I go here and I go on my network card, for example, you see that each time you have this small, icon here, so it's like a firewall protection, he will ask me for another account. So if I go here in properties, bam, I have this Windows. This is UAC. So if I want to change property of my IP configuration, I must type an admin user, and after I will be able to change information about my UAC. Okay, so of course UAC, you can set up UAC by for example group policy, or you can change UAC directly on your workstation. Okay, so there is a lot of way to do configuration, okay, of UAC. Of course, if I type here UAC, I cannot change anything because I'm not an admin account. But if I put my admin password, of course, I will be able to change. You will see here about always notify or never notify. More you are up, more you will have to type an admin account to change setting, and more you are down, and you don't have to type an admin account to change the setting. This is very it's not secure at all, and he tell you that if you want to change this, you must be an admin account, of course. But after, I can change it here, and I say that he will change the way he will prompt me. So for example, always notify when apps try to install software, or if the user want to make some change on the Windows setting. And after, more go down, more and more I'm not really secure here. So you can change it directly here, or what you can do is that you can change it also on a group policy on your Active Directory here. So you can go here, same thing, you can go on your setting here, and if you go to Windows setting, and if you go in security setting and local policy here and security option, you have UAC here. So you have a lot of configuration that you can do directly here, and okay, so, and you can change it directly here, and it will be apply, of course, to all your computer, all your user in your organization. Okay, that's it for UAC. Let's see the next section. It will be about device registration. See you in the next section. Bye bye.